Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to learn about the Python modules and packages. So what is a Python module? The module is a single Python file that is a .py file which is containing the functions, classes and variables. A module is nothing but it is a single Python file which contains functions written inside that, classes written inside that and variables created inside that. It helps organize the code and make it reusable. If I am going to create a one Python file, and if I am going to write some functions, write some classes, going to create some variables, I'll be reusing this Python file by creating another Python file and importing this the existing already created Python file as a module in the new file. I'm repeating one more time. I'm going to create a Python file. I'm going to write some functions inside that. I'm going to create some classes inside that. And I'm going to write some variables. Now, this is a Python file. Now, I'm going to create a new Python file. And I'm going to call this already existing Python file name as a module in the new file. That is the way the module is going to work in Python. math_utils.py. This is the Python file. Inside this, you have written the function add of a comma b. Now in the new Python file, you are going to import this Python file name math_utils and print of math_utils of add of 3 comma 5. So whatever the functions you have written here, you are going to call it here with the values. So this is the way how the module is going to work. Modules make code cleaner and easier to maintain. What are the types of modules in Python? Built-in modules, user-defined modules, and external modules. Built-in modules means it is already included in Python library. For example, math module, OS module, datetime module. What is user-defined module? It is created by developers. It is not provided by the Python libraries. For example, mymodule.py. What are external modules? It is coming via the PIP, that is pandas and numpy. So we have to install this module using the PIP command. PIP install pandas, PIP install numpy. So there are built-in modules which are provided by the Python libraries. There are user-defined modules which will be created by us, and the external modules which is coming from we have to install using the PIP command. So these are the different types of the modules in Python. So what is a package? A package is a collection of modules stored in the folder. For example, I'm going to have a folder. Inside that, I'm going to have a 4 Python file. So these 4 Python file will be considered as a modules. But this folder will be considered as a package only when if you are going to have a __init __init.py __init__.py file. If you are going to have this Python file inside that folder, then only the folder will be considered as a package. And a package can have multiple folders. They are called the subpackages. Even the subpackages should have the __init__.py file. So even in the packages as well as in the subpackages, you can have more than one modules present in it, and it can be used for the reusable purpose. So helps create the hierarchical structure for the large projects. By going this packages pattern, it is going to help us creating the hierarchical structure for the larger packages, larger projects. Basically the structure will be, this is the my package folder. Inside this, the first file what I'll be keeping is __init__.py and followed by 2 Python files. So these are the 2 Python files which will be called as a modules which I am keeping inside this package. So when I am going to create another new Python file, from this my package I am going to import math_ops.py. So in this math_ops I have written the function add. So in the result I am going to compute the add function. Similarly, I am going to create another Python file. From this math package, my package, I am going to import the math and string_ops or math_ops to do the same operation. So the package is nothing but the folder which has the first file as a __init __dot_py followed by the Python files. So create another Python file, write this statement from my package import this module, and in the result is equal to this module dot function with the particular values. The same example I am repeating again so that you will be understanding the structure of the package and the module. So why we use module and packages? Code reusability. Write only once and use any number of times and anywhere. Organization. Logical structure for the large projects. Collaboration. Easier to share and maintain. Scalability supports modular development. So what are the advantages of using these modules and packages? First, it's code reusability. You are going to write the code only once and you are going to use it multiple times. It is a logical structure. Yeah, the structure is very much logical. What is the logical structure? Under this package, you should have this Python file followed by the normal Python file. So this Python file will be act as a module in another Python file and it will be extracted from this package. This is the way the logical structure, it is going to help for the larger projects. Collaboration. It is easier to share and maintain the project. Scalability. It supports modular development. Modular means breaking the program into multiple programs so that even the layman can understand the structure of the project. Summary. So this is module is a single .py file. Module is a single .py file. Package means it folder contain the multiple modules. Import help us to connect and reuse the code. Promotes clean, maintainable and reusable Python programming. So these are the advantage of the modules and package. Module is again the single .py file. Package means it folder contain the multiple modules. Import statement help us to import this module from the package so that overall it provides the clean, maintainable, reusable Python programming. Hope this session was interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned to Provoke Trainings for more exciting content like this. If you have any queries for this course, for the enquiry of this course or any upgraded content for this today's session, please post your queries in the below link. Here you please provide your name, mobile number, email ID, location and which is the course you are opting for. Please submit all these details. Our team will reach out to you for further queries. Thank you all.